Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make bulgogi stew. First, I'm gonna chop a 2-inch thick cut of Daikon radish into 8 small pieces and put it in a pot. Add 2 pieces of Dashima, a couple of dry Shitake mushrooms, and fill the pot with water. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. While that's simmering, let's cut up some thinly sliced sirloin beef into bite-sized chunks. Bulgogi is one of Korea's most popular foods worldwide. There are different kinds of bulgogi. One is stir-fried and one is a stew. Next, let's get some hot peppers. Cut a few thin slices for decoration later and mince up the rest before adding it to the pot. This makes the bulgogi look spicy and taste spicy, so use caution with this step. I like my food extra spicy, so I'm putting a lot of pepper. Add it to the pot, and now add 1 spoon of minced garlic, 1 spoon of sugar, 3 spoons of soy sauce, 1, 2, 3. 2 spoons of mirin or rice wine, 1, 2, and 1 spoon of fish sauce to the meat. And how should I say that? 주물럭 to blend all the flavors together. Cover and put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Next, I'm gonna slice up a variety of mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms you want. I'm using portabella, king oyster, enoki, and Shitake mushrooms to give it a really rich flavor. To get a good thumbnail, I'm slicing up my Shitake mushrooms in an X pattern. It was my 3rd time trying, but practice makes perfect. In a wide shallow pot, add cabbage, enoki, king oyster, Shitake, glass noodle, and portabella mushroom. Cut up a lot of green onion, add it to the pot, and finally, place your bulgogi meat on top. You can put any vegetable you want in bulgogi stew, like carrot, bok choy, or tofu, so feel free to customize the recipe to your taste. This is my mom's recipe, so it's my favorite. Now it's time to cook. Get the soup broth that's been simmering and pour it into the pot. When I studied in America, I saw a lot of stir-fried bulgogi, but it was really hard to find bulgogi stew. Bulgogi stew is really popular in Korea. My mom made it for me a lot when I was a kid. These days, I have it with my coworkers for lunch. Let the stew boil until the meat is cooked, then turn it down to low. Now, it's time to eat. Eat your soup together with a bowl of rice. Bulgogi stew is really healthy and really delicious. Enjoy with your family and friends and let me know what you wanna see next week. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. And if you want to see next week's video, hit subscribe. This is Kwon's Corner. See you next time. I can show you the bulgogi. This is how to make bulgogi. Tell me, princess, now when did you last eat the bulgogi? Oh, yo, what?